Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, delicate, decent and easy to make hand embroidered dresses ideas. Different type of hand embroidery dresses are being shown in this entire collection. By different stylized patterns of hand embroidery, you are not only going to get the different creative ideas of hand art, but at the same way in this video you are going to get different type of stitching ideas and how you can stitch or which type of pattern or style you can adopt to design your dress, shirt, kameez, kurti, gown, peplum or any type of top that you are going to wear along with the perfect matching of your bottoms. So friends, before going further into the details, I have a simple request that please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And please don't forget to like and do leave massive comments below my video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Guys, as you could see that different color combinations like light theme, baby pink or powder pink with a white color embroidery gives a decent look. Some different shades of brown or mustard shades would go absolutely fine for summer. Some sweet shades, sweet colors like pink, rose pink, peachy pink, camel and peach type would go absolutely fine. Some vibrant colors like green, olive or some touch of yellowish green are a favorable condition for this funky, this extremely hot and temperature blowing season. And different type of color combinations of floral patterns are very important because the thread combination is very important in making the dress more unique and beautiful. If you want to keep the decent and elegant touch, then you must use light colors of thread to design the whole embroidery pattern. If you want some sort of medium stylized pattern but you want to keep them decent as well, then must use a combination of light color threads along with some or few colors of bright threads. And if you want to give more heavy look, then use all the threads with bright colors, making the flowers with the bright colors and the leaves also with bright colors. So I hope the overall suggestion, the idea, the creativity, the design patterns are being loved by you, are liked by you. Some different sort of full length or quarter length kameez or open airline style kurtas are also being shown in this collection so that you could pair up along with your denim jeans or pants. So different style ideas have been shown like eastern style, like south style, like western style, like south Indian dressing mixture and Punjabi style and many other traditional perspectives have been shown. So do try these patterns. And if you are an embroidery beginner, then these designs are very simple and easy to make for you. Just go with the flow of these designs and try one of them, the favorite of yours. And if you are an embroidery artist, then this collection would help you to give a unique and elegant touch to the whole entire creativity of your handwork, hand art. So thank you so much for watching.